Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the water correctly so your strips read true. Use a clean container rinsed with the same source. Avoid soaps. Fill midstream or after letting the tap run for 1 minute to flush lines. Once done, let the sample sit until it's about room temperature, roughly 20-25 degrees, because temperature affects reagent reactions. While waiting, open the strip pack and check the expiration date and prepare a flat, clean surface for timing your dips and comparisons. You now perform the active test. Dip the strip fully for the exact seconds the instructions state, commonly 1 to 3 seconds, then withdraw it. Make sure to hold the strip level so reagents don't run into each other. That prevents false reads. Immediately start a timer and compare each pad to the chart at its specific interval. Some require 15 seconds, others 60. As you read, note which pad corresponds to pH, chlorine, hardness, or other measured parameters so you don't mix values. You finish by recording the values clearly, include date, time, sample temperature, and strip lot information for traceability. If a color is faint or unlike any chart swatch, don't guess. Repeat the test with a new strip and a fresh sample. If results remain inconsistent, make sure strips weren't expired or stored in heat or humidity. Test a control solution if available. One troubleshooting tip: if pads smear or run, blot excess water gently and repeat to avoid reagent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.